In this video, I want to talk about the importance of rebuilding a good following distance after a stop. And we can see this vehicle up ahead shortly is going to be signaling that they're turning right into a driveway here. And we have to start putting the pieces of the puzzle together, right? Are they turning into this first driveway? Are they turning into that second driveway? Where will this pedestrian be by the time they get to that driveway? And where will we be as we're approaching, right? So if we had followed bumper to bumper with this vehicle and then they suddenly slow down for their turn, will we surprise a car behind us? Will we get rear-ended, right? So these are things you need to be on the lookout for, thinking about. There should be no operation with the vehicle in front of you that should surprise you to the point where you're abruptly braking. If that happens, that means that you're following too close. So here we're slowing down nice and smoothly behind this vehicle as they wait for that pedestrian to cross, and then they can make the turn. So again, don't just assume that the vehicle in front of you is going to be out of your way pretty quickly just because they've signaled, right? Sometimes they have to wait for an obstruction, in this case a pedestrian. So you should always have a decent following distance that allows you to slow down smoothly behind that vehicle without being too abrupt and surprising the car behind you. So it's a domino effect. Look for the pieces of the puzzle and figure out how they're all going to fit together. You shouldn't be reacting, you should be planning on the road.